Can you feel it?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Anushka. For my returning subscribers, hey fam, how's it going? So on this channel, I post beauty and lifestyle content. So if you're interested in either one of those, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be talking about the wig that I currently am wearing. So I'm going to be giving you guys a review on this wig and also showing you how I installed it for the most part. This wig is a body wave wig. I know it's straight, but it came as a body wave wig. I did straighten it because that's the look I wanted to go for. It is 26 inches. I did get this wig from Amazon. I do believe this wig was about $150 something. I will have a picture on the screens of what it looks like in Amazon so you guys can see what it looks like as a body wave wig, and also you will see the price of the wig. They do have a discount going on right now, so if you are interested in this wig, I would definitely say go ahead and buy it like immediately so you don't miss the sale and the discount. I will have the link in the description box down below as always. So let me show you guys the stuff that I got with this wig. The wig came in this cute little pink silk bag, and inside we have 2 melt bands, caps, which obviously we always appreciate that. It came with 2 combs, so it came with like an edge brush with a little comb on the other side and then like a rat tail comb. So this is something I've never gotten with a wig before, so that was very surprising. This is an attachable band that you can like put on the back of the wig so it fits your head better, so it's more snug. So definitely I do like this. I might attach it to the wig, not sure yet. And it also came with a pair of lashes. I don't know where I put it, but it came with a pair of like some basic looking lashes. That's always nice. I do wear strip lashes, so I do tend to actually use them, so I do appreciate that. So the next few clips are going to be me showing you guys how I'm installing the wig. So if you're interested, stick around for that. If not, I will have a timestamp in the description box going to the end of the video where I'm talking about my feedback and giving the review on this wig. So I'm going to be doing the ball cap method for this install. So I've got my wig cap. I personally don't really like doing the ball cap method because it's just a lot of work and I feel like I'm always using a lot of products, and I have very fine hair, so if I use a lot of spray, even if I'm being too careful, it can like cause my edges like to break off. So I actually don't really like doing the bowl cap method too much, I've come to realize. As always, I'm using my Even spray. So this is their Supreme Extreme Firm Hold. So I'm just going to spray this on my hairline or right before my hairline. To press it in with my finger just to make sure it's like really stinging and sticking. So when you're installing your wig, it is a long process and you do want to make sure you are taking your time. You might be tempted to like rush to do things, but trust me, when you take your time, you're going to get the result and the look that you want. I would say making sure that your wig cap is dry, completely dry before you start cutting, because then might start lifting. It is very long. It is 26 inches. I did bleed the knots on this wig. I don't think it's too bad. So I think I did a pretty good job reaching it. Obviously, there is room for growth, as this was my first time. using Ghost Warm glue for this install. I'm about to style the wig, so I already did my makeup, as you guys can see, or did most of my makeup. I still gotta finish, but I like to do my makeup while I'm waiting for this like completely melt, because it gives it a lot of time to melt down. The hair doesn't look the best, so I'm planning on flat ironing it and just cutting off the lace once I'm done with that, and potentially doing baby hairs. So for this wig, I definitely want to say I would give this wig a 4 out of 5. I really do like the wig. Like I said, I did install this wig and straighten it because it came as a body wave wig. I did also bleach the knots twice, because the first time I bleached it, it didn't lift as much as I wanted to because I didn't leave the bleach on for a long time. So I bleached it a second time, and quality of the wig is still great even after bleaching it twice. And I know even though some wigs say it's human hair, when you like try to flat iron it or try to straighten it or do anything to it, you can tell it's not 100% human hair. But this wig actually is 100% human hair. This wig is like really long on me because it's 26 inches sitting. It's definitely hitting my thighs. Standing, it's past my hips. And for reference, I am only like 5'1", pretty short. So this wig is like almost half my size. Really. So I will say it is nice. I love the color, like the two-tone, like brown and blonde is definitely a color combo that I truly do enjoy and love to buy. So the color is amazing. The lace is good, but I will say this is one of the main reasons why I'm not giving it a 5 is like if you don't bleach the knots and bleach the lace, the knots are pretty big and they're very black. So even though this is a colored wig in a sense because it's brown and blonde, the knots are black. So I don't think that's a good look when you are wearing the wig, because the knots are going to be super visible unless you were to bleach it, and that isn't like an added step. It also did not come with pre-plucked baby hairs. You had to do the baby hairs on your own if you want baby hairs. I did do some. Still working on baby hairs, guys, so don't come for me. Do have to do that. I did like the hairline on the wig though. They actually has a nice hairline on the wig itself. It's just it didn't come with pre-plucked baby hairs. Those are my two reasons for not giving it a 5. There is very minimal shedding after like washing it twice, brushing it out multiple times. It hasn't really shed a lot. Like I got a little bit of shedding when I was flat ironing it, but not a lot. I will say the quality of the wig is really great. So if you are interested, once again, the link will be in the description box to buy the wig. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, you can let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leaving a comment down below so I know you enjoyed this content. As always, thank you guys for watching my video, especially if you made it all the way to the very end. I do appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.